making kit lab. Anna's Toys Review. Today we're going to use and review the Barbie Cutie Review.
Noah, where are we today? Yes, where are we today? We are here in
Target.
Anna is here in Target again, and she's going to look for her toys. Uh-oh, Anna is eyeing on another toy today. Here in Target. She's looking at different toys.
I want.
Noah! Oh! That's Noah! What do you have then?
A bear one.
A bear. Wow! It's a Barbie Cutie reveal. The fox, the bear,
I can get this
the frog.
Goodbye. See you at the house. Anna's Toys Review.
What do you have for today, Anna?
Barbie Cutie Review.
Wow, may I see your toy? Oh wow, we have a Barbie Cutie reveal. What's inside, Anna? 1, 2, 3, 4. This is an animal series for Barbie Cutie reveal. Let's open it. Wow, what's inside? Oh, wow, you have a lot, Anna. Look at that. Wow, this is a very big Barbie Cutie reveal. Wow, wow, whoa. What is this, Anna?
It's a Barbie.
It's a Barbie in is this a bear, my love? What kind of animal is this? It's a bird. Anna, is it a bird?
Let's see if we get the cat.
Okay. Okay. It's a sloth.
It's a cat one.
Look at her, baby.
Let's see if we get the fox.
Wow. Then there's the Barbie.
Let's see if we get a fox.
My love, that will be another cutie reveal. Another animal. This animal is, I think this is a bird. Oh no, not a bear.
A bird.
Or a dolphin.
A dolphin.
Yeah, I don't know. Look at her hair, my love. It's blonde and blue. She's so pretty. Wow.
Mommy, please help me take out the shoes.
Okay. You have.
A cool animal.
Wow. She's so beautiful.
I have a bird.
It's a bird now? It's a dolphin. No, it's a bear.
Maybe it's a dolphin.
Maybe it's a dolphin. Okay. This one. And then we have a pair of shoes, glasses. Yes, glasses and shoes. And then she has a handbag. Did you get me up?
A dolphin.
It's a dolphin. Oh, that's nice.
I need cold water.
No, just my love, huh? Oh, look at that.
This one.
She's so pretty, baby. Oh. Look at her, Anna. What can you say about your new Barbie? The color is blue. And look at, like a dolphin. What color is her hair?
Blue. Blue and tan.
Blue and blonde.
Blue and blonde.
Yeah, look at that.
Tomorrow we will get the fox. Tomorrow.
Sure. Yes, tomorrow we'll have another one. Another toy review.
For
your cutie review, baby.
For the fox.
Yes, we'll do the fox. Okay, and the frog. You want to buy the frog?
No, I want the fox. The fox is better.
Oh, fox is better. Anna loves Barbie Cutie Reveal. It's very cute and beautiful.
So cute.
Yeah. Watching.
Thank you for watching.
See you next time. Bye.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to thumbs up and subscribe.